welcome back. Today is Thursday, 9th July 2020. In maths today we're going to look at temperature. Pause the video and please make sure you have your workbook and a pencil. Please download the worksheets from class charts or email. Write the short date at the top of the page, 9.7.20. Write the LI to measure temperatures. Once you have finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Right, let's go through the key vocabulary. Please repeat after me. Thermometer, temperature, measure, hot, cold, hotter, cooler, rise or increase, fall or decrease, and degrees Celsius. Temperature, what is it? Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. Temperature is measured in degrees. The symbol for degrees is, so it's like a little circle. So what you need to do is you need to write the number, so in this case it's 100, and then you write the little circle at the top, which gives us the degree sign, which equals 100 degrees. Now, the scale we measure temperature in is called either Celsius or centigrade. It was named after the scientist who developed it. So in this case, we've got 23. We've got the circle, which is the degrees, and then we've got the C to say whether it's Celsius or centigrade. So in this case, it's 23 degrees Celsius. What can we use to measure the temperature? Right, we can use all these different types of thermometers to measure temperature. Right, pause the video here and please make sure you have your workbook and a pencil, as we are going to look at a video which is part of the White Rose scheme that the school follow. Let's have a look.
Hello again. Temperature today. Rosie loves lessons on temperature because she says reading a thermometer is just like reading a number line. I suppose it is. Here's our number line from 0 to 10. And if we turn it round, it's still a number line from 0 to 10. And we place our thermometer next to it, and we can see that the thermometer and the number line are very, very similar. The thermometer at the moment is reading 0 degrees C. And you can see, as our temperature increases, the red line goes up and up and up. What temperature is the thermometer showing now? Pause the video here to have a go. That's right, 9 degrees C. This thermometer is slightly different. This one goes up in increments of 2, just like this number line goes up in increments of 2. As the temperature increases, watch where the red line stops. It's right in between the 8 and the 10. What temperature do you think the thermometer is showing? Pause the video here to have a go. That's right, 9 degrees C. Thermometers sometimes are shown horizontally, like these two. One of these thermometers is reading 12 degrees C. Pause the video here to have a look. Which one is it? Which one is showing 12 degrees C? That's right, it's the top one. The bottom one is showing 20 degrees C. Ron thinks that both of these thermometers are showing the same temperature. Oh yes, it does look like that, because there's the same amount of red in the two thermometers. Have a closer look. What temperature are the two thermometers showing? Oh yes, the top one is showing 18 degrees C, and the bottom one is showing 9 degrees C. You've got to be really careful and have a look at the scale that the thermometer is going up in. The top one is going up in 2s, and the bottom one is going up in 1s. Here are 3 thermometers. Look at the scale carefully and write down the temperature that each of the thermometers is showing. Pause the video here to have a go. How did you get on with that? We've got 70 degrees C, very hot, 90 degrees C, even hotter, and then 60 degrees C. We heard earlier that as the temperature rises, the red line goes up and up. These 3 readings were taken from a cup of tea. The person who was drinking the tea was waiting for the tea to go cool. Which order do you think these readings were taken in? Do you think the 70 degrees C was first and then 90 and then 60? Or do you think a different order? Pause the video here to have a think. That's right, they weren't taken in this order. The 90 would have been first when the tea was hottest, and then it would have cooled a little to 70, and then cooled a little bit more to 60. The temperature of the room that Ron is in is 18 degrees. Ron is asked to put an arrow on the thermometer to show where the red line will get to as it reaches room temperature. Ron thinks, 18 degrees, there it is. But he's not 100% sure that's right, so he puts another arrow about there. And then one more, just to be sure. Which of these 3 arrows is pointing to 18 degrees? Let's see, as the red line rises. Is that the one that you thought? That's right, just under 20 degrees. That's where 18 degrees would be.
Right, pause the video here and please make sure you have downloaded the worksheets from class charts or email. This is what the worksheets looks like. And once you have finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. See you tomorrow. Bye.